Business Pro Tips. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Certainly, here are some business pro tips to help you succeed. Set clear goals. Clearly define your short-term and long-term goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals provide direction and help you stay focused. Setting clear goals is essential for driving business success. Here are some tips to help you set clear and effective goals. Make them specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Vague goals like increase sales or improve customer satisfaction are not as effective as specific goals such as increase sales by 10% in the next quarter or achieve a customer satisfaction rating of 90% by the end of the year. Ensure they are achievable. While it's good to set ambitious goals, make sure they are realistic and attainable. Set goals that challenge you and your team but are within reach. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and demotivation. Prioritize time management. Manage your time effectively by setting priorities, creating to-do lists, and using time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Delegate tasks whenever possible to free up time for more important activities. Build a strong network. Networking is crucial for business success. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with like-minded individuals both online and offline. Nurture relationships by offering value and helping others. Embrace continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and best practices. Read books, attend workshops, take online courses, and participate in webinars to enhance your knowledge and skills. Focus on customer satisfaction. Prioritize customer satisfaction by providing excellent products or services and addressing customer feedback promptly. Happy customers not only become repeat customers but also act as brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth. Embrace innovation. Embrace a culture of innovation within your business. Encourage creativity and empower employees to think outside the box, explore new ideas, and find innovative solutions to problems. Monitor financial health. Regularly review your financial statements, cash flow, and key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the financial health of your business. This helps you make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement. Develop a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision and complement your skills. Invest in employee training and development to foster a high-performing team. Leverage technology. Utilize technology to streamline operations, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency. Explore software solutions, cloud computing, and digital marketing strategies to stay competitive. Adapt to change. The business landscape is constantly evolving. Be adaptable and embrace change rather than resisting it. Stay agile and be willing to pivot your strategies when necessary. Remember, success in business often comes from a combination of hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.